You're listening to the Estate Plan Lady Show with Yvonne Dantzler, where we talk about planning for your future. Whether it's estate planning, life insurance, retirement, or savings, we've got you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Estate Plan Lady podcast show. And I am your host, Miss Yvonne Dantzler. And today's topic, I want to talk about the benefits of a virtual credit card. Now, I got this topic from looking at the AARP Bulletin, and it's for the May 2022. So it looks like a little newspaper, AARP Bulletin, as separate from the magazine, and it's on page 28. And what caught my attention, it's entitled 6 Credit Card Tricks to Master. So here we go. New technology, fierce competition, and a fast-changing retail world have pushed credit card issuers to add all kinds of innovations and incentives to their offerings. Here are several slick moves you have the power to pull off, either with your current card or with a new one. So in this particular article, they give 6 what they call tricks to master. The one that caught my eye was number 3. It's called Pull the Old Switcheroo. And this is what comes down to our topic. I'll go ahead and read it. The magic. You make an online purchase with your credit card, but it's not your actual credit card. Instead, it's a completely different number, but it still works. The secret behind the trick: if you're worried about someone stealing your number when you shop online, some credit cards will issue you a virtual card, a different number you can use for specific purchases. If a criminal obtains that number later, it'll be useless. To activate this feature, you may have to log on to your card's app or website and request a number. If you have a Capital One card, you can download a web browser extension that will automatically generate a number. So what does this mean? Let's talk about it a couple of minutes here. So the virtual card, to me, it's like a vanity card, and it can work with credit cards. So it's just like the article said. It's good for someone who makes a lot of purchases online, and maybe someone who does some overseas shopping. I tend to do a couple of overseas shopping as well as shopping within the States. This would definitely be a good protection tool for me. You can't always trust these platforms like PayPal and a lot of these overseas Coinbase, a lot of these places, Payer, I think it's called Paytr, and these other third-party platforms to secure your credit card all the time. Things happen. So with this vanity credit card, I think this will be great. Now, it says on the article that Capital One offers this, but I don't think it's limited to Capital One. I don't know if this is a new concept or not. I just read the article. A friend of mine and I were talking a couple of weeks ago about this, and she was saying this would be something good to put on the show. So just as I get information and knowledge, I'm definitely going to pass it on to you all. So this is something here I think will be good, because if you keep reading the article, it states, we live in a new world now, new financial world, new digital world. You go places and some of the cards, you can just tap it on something, or, I don't know, all these little tricks and trades are doing with the credit cards now. But it does have a total of 6 tricks that you can use. I'm only interested in number 3, getting that virtual card, as I believe that it could definitely help save a lot of fraud that's going on. So this is just for you all to do your own due diligence with. I'm going to put the information on the bottom description down there. But just reading this sounds very interesting. Now, ask whatever financial institution that you bank with, whether it's a credit union or whether it is with a regular bank, call them up and ask them, do they have this feature? And if they do, I would suggest looking into this, especially if you make a lot of online purchases or just everyday purchases. Should be able to work the same way. So I hope this helped you. Just something that I found. And like I said, my goal, my mission here on this channel, and it always has been since we've been here almost 10 years, is to help you prosper in your finances and your financial portfolio. I know we're in down times right now. Do not let that stop you from getting to your financial goals. A lot of it, we just have to get off these TV sets, start looking on a lot of these platforms, and get the true facts. That being said, I'll ask you to do is please like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe to this channel as we are growing. And I thank you so much for tuning in to today's podcast. Everyone, stay safe, stay healthy. Let's work on the wealth part. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Estate Plan Lady Podcast Show. Have a good day.
You've been listening to the Estate Plan Lady Podcast with your host, Yvonne Dantzler. If you like what you've just heard, please subscribe and share our channel today. We invite you to listen again. Visit us at www.estateplanlady.com or call us at 909-440-8617. We are located in Southern California.